In this video, I will show you how to use the concatenate function in Excel to combine text in three different ways. Stay with me till the end to learn some useful tricks that will save your time. So let's get started. Here I have a data set containing first name, last name and address of the customers. Our goal is to combine these fields efficiently using the concatenate function. To start, let's combine the first name and last name into single column. Click on the cell where you want to the combined name appear. Then type is equal to concatenate in the bracket. Select your first name, then comma, then last name, bracket close. Press enter and you will see the names combined. Notice something, the names are joined without a space. So let's fix that. To properly format the names, we need to insert a space between them. Here is how. Modify formula like this. Is equal to concatenate, then in the bracket, select our first name, then comma, then here we will add double quotation mark. In the double quotation mark, we will add one space, then again comma, then select your last name, bracket close. Now hit enter. And you will see the names appear correctly with the space. Simply drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of the rows. Now, what if we want to add the address as well? So, let's modify the formula. Edit the previous formula to include the address column. Type is equal to concatenate. Then in the bracket, select our first name. Then as a previous double quotation mark in space between, then comma, then last name, then again comma. Here we will add one single quotation mark, then comma, then again one space, then quotation mark again, then comma, then select our address and bracket close. Hit the enter and now you have the full name with the address formatted neatly. Again, drag the formula down to apply it to all the rows. And that's it. You have now learned three ways to use the concatenate function effectively in Excel. This function is super handy for cleaning up data and improving readability. If you are using newer version of Excel, you can use the text join or concate function which offer even more flexibility. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for the more Excel tips. See you in the next video.